So one of the best weight loss techniques that I have used that sped up my results was the fail faster theory. And basically this theory means do not start your journey this time expecting it to be smooth sailing. Do not expect yourself to be able to avoid all failures and obstacles, okay? Failure is coming soon, and it is not the avoidance of failure that makes us successful. It is how quickly we can get through those failures and get back on track. So the theory of failing faster is deal with the failure faster, accept the fail faster, cope with your emotions about the failure faster, and then do something to get back on track faster. Okay, failure is not an indication that you're done. Failure is an indication that you had to learn something, pause, make sure you learned it, and then keep going. So the only difference between you and a master of your body is that the master has failed more times than the beginner can even comprehend. So if you want to get to your goal faster, you've got to fail more. So get on it, hurry up.